Hi, this is Sebastian van der Schlier from socialanxietysolutions.com, a former social anxiety disorder sufferer and a social confidence coach. This is a real quick 2-minute announcement to let you know that I'm going to do my first ever social confidence workshop that's in person live. So if you want to meet me and a group of other people with social anxiety and tap through those social anxiety issues and move towards social ease, create a different relationship with your social anxiety, meet like-minded people, finally don't have to hide your social anxiety, but put it out on the table and tap through those issues and just have an amazing fun time for 3 days and come out having the good feeling of having made progress, feeling hopeful, and really transforming your life in a really short period of time. Then sign up for my early announcement list, because this is not available yet, but it's going to be available the 16th of July. That's when I'm going to open registration, and I'm only going to open it for a maximum of 30 people. All right, so if you want to get onto that early announcement list, go to the link below this video and get on there. And for the earliest people to sign up, there will be some really special bonuses that are really, really amazing. So you'll love that. All right, so go there now, and I'll talk to you on the 16th with all the details that you're looking for. Bye for now.